So yesterday was kind of rushed. I was right about to go to bed with my hubby, and I really didn't want to make a video, but I was like, I already missed day 11 and 12. No sense in missing 13. So today is day 14 of our juice fast. Mag is still on it as well. And I feel okay. I feel good. I feel much better than I did definitely week 1. So week 2 is a little bit better. We're gonna see how week 3 goes. Yes, there's gonna be a week 3. I don't know how long we're gonna go for. Maybe we'll go the full 30. We don't know. We're not gonna put that much pressure on ourselves. I checked today and I was down 14.8 pounds, so almost 15 pounds. So 14.8 pounds in 14 days, which is good. I'm happy about that. But I'm not gonna pressure myself to do something that my body doesn't want to do. Right now my body is saying keep going, so that's what I'm gonna do. If on day 21 it says stop, I will stop. But right now it says keep going, so it feels good. I used to have a bruise right here next to my birthmark, and that bruise is like gone. I don't know what happened. I had a bruise here and I tried everything to like remove it. I think my lip got cracked on a day. Maybe I didn't drink enough water, or maybe I was dehydrated. I don't know what happened, but my lip cracked and then it left a bruise there for some reason. It looked kind of unsightly to me. So now it's kind of like my skin is healing itself. I love that for me. So right now I just came from outside. We're doing some landscaping. So right now the skin is not skinning the way it should be skinning, but still I'm very impressed with all the effects it has had on my skin. What else have I noticed? A lot more energy for sure. Usually I'd probably be in bed right now. Like week 1, I was very tired, so I wasn't really pushing myself to do anything. But now I'm feeling like maybe what if I can incorporate Pilates back into my regimen? That would be awesome. Because right now I still have my membership, but I have not been going. And I feel like it's a waste of money, and I kind of want to cancel, but well, not cancel, but pause it for the rest of the month. But I'm gonna see, maybe I can have enough energy to just keep going, or like to start over kind of thing. I'm gonna see if I can do that. I'm not really expecting much from this week. Hopefully I can get some good workouts, even if it's just steps in. And I want to show you guys the juices we have for the week. So I don't know how to flip this. Okay, that was not it. So this is what we juiced yesterday. We did batch juicing, and me and Mac both had green juices today. So now it looks like there's 7 left. So we had 9 green ones, and then we have 3 of the orange, I'm sorry, 5 of the orange, and then 4 of the red. So just to go through on what they are, if I can remember, this is our version of the mean green. So it has the baby kale, spinach, some kiwi, carrots, cucumber, celery, ginger, lemon, hopefully, and I'm not forgetting ingredients. The middle one is, I'm gonna have to put it on the screen. I don't remember what we juiced for that, or the red one. So the middle one is cantaloupe, mandarin oranges, pineapple, mint, ginger, mango. I don't know if I said lemon already, but yeah, I think that's what was in that one. I can't really 100% remember, but that's what I recall for that one. And this one, the last one that's red, is blueberries, strawberries, pineapple, carrots. I don't know if I said carrot for that one, but there's carrot in all 3 of them. Carrots, I can't remember everything. I think kiwi's in there as well. That one I didn't really record really well what I was putting in it. Mag and I just be making stuff, honestly. They said juice the rainbow, and that's what we try to do. We always try to add some vegetable as well. Let me close this. We always try to make sure to add vegetables as well, so we get our vegetable serving. It ends up being like almost a 50-50 type thing, because our mean green is definitely primarily vegetables. We just add green apple. If I didn't say green apple, there's green apple in there. We add green apple in there as the fruit to give it some type of sweetness, and kiwi. We had 4 kiwis and a whole bag of Granny Smith green apple. That's the sweetness we get from that, but everything else is veggies. It's like a ratio of like, I don't know, 3 to 1 as far as the veggies go. But everything else we try to at least add 1 or 2 vegetables, like carrots or spinach or something like that. So that's where we are on day 14. I will see you on day 15.